Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. That is my YouTube channel. I am the host who is Tara Wells and you are on a brand new video with me, which is going to be a W7 haul. This is the first time I've ordered from this website. I've got W7 products before, but I probably have got them from Home Bargain. This is the first time I've actually ordered from W7 website, so this is going to be interesting. There was only a couple of items that I wanted, otherwise it was getting a little bit expensive, but the two items I got I'm absolutely happy with. Before we get on into this W7 makeup haul, I just want to say that I am not sponsored by W7 or any of the brands that I do show you. It is all out of my own money. I picked these products myself, I've chose them, I've bought them out of my hard-earned money that I work for, so I am not sponsored. Also, if you like today's video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know that you like these sort of videos and you're interested in the products. If you like any of my content or any of the videos or the whole YouTube as a general, then please subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button. You can then join my little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along. Click the notification button, which is the bell, because that will tell you when a new video has been uploaded. And on my main page there's a clickable link for Instagram and Twitter, so if you can check that out please, that'd be great. That is everything in this intro, and let's get on into the W7 makeup haul. Like I said, this is the first time I have ordered from W7's actual website, and it was really good because UK postage was absolutely free, so there was no minimum spend. There probably was, but there was not the case that I did, but they said any UK delivery is free, so absolutely pucker on their case, because at the end of the day that made me want to spend a little bit more, but I just didn't see any products at the time any more than what I was already seeing. Inspiration from W7's Instagram page, oh my god, yes, I love that. It shows you like the new products or products that they've got, and they test them out, do makeup tutorials on it. The whole lot is just really good, so that's inspiration too. Got a list here telling me the prices of what each item is, so I will tell you that at the same time. And W7 sent a little face mask too, and I got that free, and it's got W7 on it. I will definitely be using this as backup, because at the end of the day W7 on it is a makeup brand, and also it's the black ones I already use, so that's really good for a sort of backup mask, so that was nice, got that free. I'm going to go on to the first item now. I'm not quite sure which item to show you, because both of them are literally look amazing, and I am going to do reviews on all of these products for you. I will get that in motion at some point. I will go probably for the first one that I did actually go on the website and try and find. And the first one I'm going to show you is, so this is a brand new project. I will open this while we're on camera because I want to see the consistency, but this is what it was. This is the W7 Bronze Chick Universal Bronzing Balm. It probably says a little bit more info on the website, but I haven't printed that off. Should have probably done. But why I got this is because, oh my god, you know, like the Huda Beauty ones, the bronzing sort of creams that they do, and there's a Chanel one. I so wanted these for ages, but they are very expensive. I really did want the Chanel one because I've seen reviews on that and that looks amazing. They are both very expensive, like I said, but when I saw this, I was like, you know what, this could be a dupe for it. And this was half the price of probably what they are. This was at a price of £5.95. which I thought that was really good for that. And I thought, you know what, I will get the W7 one because we love cheap products, we love a dupe on this channel. And I thought, you know what, if I get the cheaper one, we can definitely try a tutorial out. If this does not give me what I need, then maybe we might have to buy the Chanel one. But that is absolutely extortionate, but it looks really good. And if I use this a lot, then maybe the Chanel one may be worth the money. We can see. I might even like this one a lot. The only problem that is, I've seen other reviews say about this as well, and that I did notice, that it only comes in one shade. One shade is not going to fit all colour skins, unfortunately, but this will fit my skin tone, so I'm really happy with that. But what we're going to do now is open it up. I took the packaging off, and this is what it looks like. It's very, very nice. It's very, very dupey. Like, it's got that, it's plastic, but it's like that misty plastic, which makes it a little bit more mysterious. And also, like, what's going on here? Do you want to open it now? I'm so excited with this because I have waited to do this for a little while. Right, so we've got a pulley off thing. Wow, that's what it looks like. Oh my days, like, I will leave this now. That has just made my little, there's not really a smell to it. No, there's a little bit of floral smell. I might smell it a little bit more when we get into the product, but I'm not going to do that on this video today. It was literally just to show you and tell you about the product. But doesn't that look satisfying? It just looks smooth. But I am ready to use this. When we do get to tutorial time, I will film this and we can see what it's like, because I've got brushes that there's 2 different brushes I want to use with this and see what it's like. That was good, and the price was just amazing for that. And W7 products are amazing, by the way. So if you did want to sponsor me, W7, I would be more than happy, because I do love your products. The other item was this. It's a bit old and it's a bit like Christmas time, but I love the little duo concept of it. I thought it was really, really good, and the product is, oh my days. You get 2 products in this little box. I've already opened them. I had to have a look. I could not resist, but they do look amazing. So we'll go through this. It's very outdated because it is a Christmas sort of thing, but I could not resist. It just was the cutest thing, and I just love the colours of what they are. This is a W7 Gingerbread Beauties. So you get a lipstick and a bronzer with a gingerbread scent. Yes, what is going on here? Like, no one has done this. Oh, I think they've got inspiration. The only place I think they've got inspiration from, or it's like a dupe, didn't Too Faced bring something out like this? I think it might have done. That's the only inspiration I can sort of think, but I have never seen any other place do that. I love these little bits. It just is amazing. So I'm going to open this up now for you. I probably will not keep this box. This will go. It's very, very cute, but I just don't like packaging like this. It just gets in the way, and these 2 products will go in their normal place in my little makeup cabinet. And I really need to do a video of that, because I've got a lot of makeup in them drawers. But once I start doing my reviews, we can maybe then have a look through the cabinet and I can show you the makeup, because I do need to have a sort through all of it too. So that would probably be a bit good, but we'll go through these 2 products. The first one I'm going to go with is the lipstick. It has literally just got little gingerbread people around it, really cute little ladies. And I don't know if it's got just ladies, because makeup is for men as well. They might need to be a little bit careful on that, but it's a W7 Gingerbread Lipstick. That is literally what it is called. There's 12M in this, like a normal lipstick. The packaging, I think they could have done a little bit better, because it is a little bit cheap. It's literally like a gold lipstick case with a stick around it, which I think they could have done a little bit better on packaging, but then it maybe makes it a little bit more expensive. Yeah, you gotta be careful, but this is the best bit. Open it up without damaging it, and then I roll it up. Can you see that? I don't want to roll it up too far, but it's got little stars on it. It's absolutely so pretty. I don't want to use it because it's got them little stars on, but that is so pretty. That colour is really like a nice not my normal colour, but can you see it's like a mix between like it's very bricky, like a brick colour. That's what I would say. It's more of a vibrant brick colour, but like I said, I will test these products out for you on camera. I will do a lip liner with it and I will test it out. I've never tried a W7 normal lipstick. I've got the liquid lipsticks that come in like the tubes, so that's the first time of using that. But I thought that was really pretty for the colour. I thought it'd be like a nice different colour than what I normally go for, if that makes sense. And the second product that you get in the little box is this. So like, again, it's a little bit cheap. This is not as bad because it's pretty much quite a good seal, and this looks a lot better than the lipstick. I just think the lipstick, they could have made it a little better. They could have made it this a little bit better. They could have embroidered it onto the gold thing. They could have just done a little bit better, but hey ho, it's all about the product that means the most. That's what we got to remember. Packaging is packaging, but product, you need it to work. We'll just open this. So it's called the W700 Gingerbread Bronzer, and this is just as pretty. Like, can you see that? So it looks silvery in here, unless they've painted this all gold. But I thought this was mirror, but I don't think it is now. I think it's just silver. That's the bronzer. At the moment, you can smell a tiny bit of gingerbread, which is a little bit disappointing, because if they're going to say it's gingerbread, you need it to smell very potent, if that makes sense. Like, you need to give that smell off. But because we haven't tested this, I love the embroidered little stars on it again. I think that just makes it very high class. It's very nice. And also, I'm not quite sure if this is a shimmery sort of bronze. I know I've never used a shimmery one before, but at the same time, we can definitely try that at the same time. It might look shimmery in here, but when I put it on my face with a brush, when I try this out, it might not be shimmery, so we could get away with that. And also, when you dip the brush in and mix it around a little bit, yeah, the stars are going to go, which is sad, but it might give it a better off gingerbread smell. It might just be holding it in because it's all sealed together. Still a really nice product. Love these two. Really pretty, really nice little good set, and no one has done this before. This was at the price of £7.95. So again, I got two products for literally like half price each, and they're still really nice. I think that's a really good amount of money, and I do love W7 products because they are good and cheap and do well. Unfortunately, this has come to the end of the video, but like I did say, I will do a review on them products because I want you to know what they look like and see how they play out. I've also said lots of times on this video that I do love W7 products. They're really good. This is not sponsored in any way. I just think they are really good for the amount of money. They are affordable beauty products that any age can use, and I've got palettes, I've got powders, I have got so much from them. It is unreal, and I do love them as a good brand. The best thing that I do like from them too is their primers. Their primers are amazing. I've used the Princess Potion one for ages, and I get them out at Home Bargain, and they're a little bit cheaper than on the website, but still W7 products and still really good. But like I said, I am not sponsored. This is literally just my own sort of advice and my opinion to you guys. I do love the products and I think they're good for their money. If you did like the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know that you like these videos. I'm hoping to order from W7 again. I had a really good experience from them and postage was free, so like I said, that was a bonus. So if you did like it, then give that a thumbs up. If you like this video or you like any others that I bring out or any content I bring out, then please subscribe to tazwells12, because then you can, like I said at the beginning, you can join our little love family and you are more than welcome. Hit the bell notification button, because that will notify you when like one of these videos comes straight on YouTube and you can watch it there and then. I am not sponsored, I just want to say that just in case, but thank you for watching as always. Thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will all see you soon. Bye.